Hello and welcome to the ICGUY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use variables in C++. In many projects, you want to deal with many types of data in C++, so you need variables. You need some containers to store those information into it. Variables are like, some containers which can carry and store different type of data into them. I made a short story and I want to run it. As you can see, it has got executed. So sometimes you want to do some alterations and changes. For example, changing the name or my age. In such cases, you have to do it manually, like change my name to John and my age to 42. And also my friends, my best friends. My best friend is Dave. Okay, let's run it. So we applied some changes. In such short projects, it is possible to change it manually, but in most of the times, you have to use variables. First of all, if you want to store an integer, a number, you have to use a variable called int or integer. It's its short form of integer. So I'm going to write int, int, plus I have to give it a name like age and a semicolon to end it. And to store a name, you have to make a variable called string, string, and give it a name like, I don't know, name, and a semicolon. After defining your variables, you have to give them a data. So you have to write their name plus an equal sign and whatever you want to be stored inside that variable. So my age is equal to 25 and my name is going to change by Casper. When you have strings, you have to use two double quotations like this. Or there is another way to define and give your variables a value, just like this. After defining your variable, you can give it a value like Casper. Double quotation, yeah. After that, you have to tell the C++ where do you want to use those variables. I want to change my name from John to Casper, so I delete John. And after double quotation, I add two less signs and the variable's name. So the variable's name is name, it's just name. So I write the name and L, name. After that, my age. I want to change my age from 42 to 25. So I delete 42. I divide this message to two parts. I am, two less signs, age. Again, two less signs and a double quotation for years old. Now I run the project. As you can see, my age and my name is changed. Alright, thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to explain more about variables and data types. Take care of yourself and goodbye.